everyone, welcome to Aesthetic Food Tech. So in this video, I am going to discuss about caramelization. Caramelization is the process of browning of sugar at higher temperature. It is a type of non-enzymatic browning, which means that browning that occurs at the absence of enzymes. Sugar is oxidized in this process and this results in the production of nutty flavor and brown color. During this process, volatile chemicals are released, producing characteristic caramel flavor. It involves removal of water as steam and breakdown of sugar. Caramelization temperature is different for different type of sugar. Caramelization of sucrose involves melting of sucrose at higher temperature and decomposing into glucose and fructose. Finally, condensation step resulting in the formation of many aromatic compounds. Please follow the following figure to understand the caramelization of sucrose. Caramel colors are used in bakery and confectionery. Industrially, it is prepared by treating glucose with dilute H2SO4 and then neutralizing it with NH3.